You can use also conversion factors to figure out things in daily life that might be interesting. I like to hike. You might like to ski. I happen to know that the mountains in Whistler in British Columbia are at about 2,184 meters. But I'm not really familiar with elevations in meters. I'm more used to it in feet. So let's work out the problem where we where we calculate the number of feet that 2,184 meters are. So we need to start with some equivalences and create conversion factors that will help us get from meters to feet. So I know that, and using the sheet that we have, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. I also know from that sheet that 2.54 centimeters is equal to 1 inch. And you probably know that 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. So these are 3 equivalences, and we can create up to 6 conversion factors from these. So from this equivalence, I get 1 meter over 100 centimeters, or 100 centimeters over 1 meter. From this one, I get 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch, or 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeters. From this one, 12 inches per 1 foot, or 1 foot per 12 inches. Okay, so I'm starting out. We usually start with our known quantity, and our known quantity is that elevation. So 2,184 meters. And I know I want to wind up with feet. I want to get rid of meters. So I'm going to use the conversion factor that puts meters in the denominator. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. And now I need to get rid of centimeters, right? Because meters and meters divide. I need to get rid of centimeters. So I'm going to use this one. 2.54 centimeters in the denominator, 1 inch on the top. And now I can get from inches to feet. So 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. Now remember, each of these things are equal to 1 because they're conversion factors. We've taken an equivalence and divided the equivalence by the same thing on both sides. So these conversion factors are all equal to 1, which means we're not changing the magnitude of this, but we are changing the units, because centimeters will cancel with centimeters, inches will cancel with inches, and then what I'm left with is feet. And that number is 7,165, because what I did was I took 2,184, I multiplied by 100, and then I divided by 2.54, and then I divided by 12. This is communicative, so it doesn't matter what order you do it in. You could do 2,184 divided by 2.54 times 100 divided by 12. The order does not matter, as long as you put division signs before things that are in the denominator and multiplication signs before things that are in the numerator. And this is our answer.